Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome students. In our class today we are having offline session, which is you are going to have English proficiency test preparation. Now let's have the screen sharing. Everybody, hope you can see the screen. English proficiency test preparation 3. This is week 4, predicate, adjective, and ing adjective. So we have two topics. Yeah, the first one is predicate, adjective, and then the second one is the ending adjectives. Yeah. Okay, now we go on to the first discussion. Let's see. Okay, what is predicate adjectives? Everybody, let's see. Certain adjectives, yeah, some adjectives appear only after a linking verb. So appear only after a linking verb, not before but after linking verb. Such as be, yeah, that is to be, yeah. Maybe we are talking about is, we are talking about are, was, were. So that's what I mean by be. And they cannot appear directly or directly in front of the noun. So we don't find these predicate adjectives in front of the nouns, the noun that they describe. So everybody, we are going to study adjectives, which are called predicate, yeah, in which they only appear after a linking verb, yeah, not in front of the nouns, yeah, that they describe. Okay, the linking verb, for example, be and other kinds of linking. Now let's see this one. The snake on the rock was alive. Everybody, you have this one, alive is underlined. This means that is an adjective. And then this is a correct sentence. Yeah. Let's analyze that was is to be. So the position of alive is after was. Was is to be, yeah. Or we can say a linking verb. So alive is an adjective, and then this is what we call predicate adjective. So this is correct. What about this one? Number 2. Alive. Yeah, like this one, alive. But we have different position. The alive snake was lying on the rock. Let's see. We have alive and then we have snake. So that means we put the adjective alive before the snake. We put alive, the adjective before snakes. The problem is, yeah, this alive is a predicate adjective. Yeah, this is what we call certain adjective. So we cannot put this one before the noun. So this is incorrect. So if somebody asks you why is this incorrect? Because this is a descriptive adjective. Yeah. In this position, yeah, the adjective live should be used. So if you want to make a correction, we say the live snake was lying on the rock. That is the correct adjective. Okay, so I hope those 2 examples give you a clear idea about what it means by descriptive adjective and then the position. Okay, let's go on to the next. Yeah, everybody, now we have several predicate adjectives. Everybody now look at this one. We have predicate adjectives: alive, alone, afraid, and asleep. Alive, alone, afraid, asleep. So we put in our mind that the position of these predicate adjectives are all after linking, after linking, after to be, or after some linking. Let's see the examples, everybody. Number one, we are having alive. The father and son look alike. So everybody, alike is a descriptive adjective. It is put after the word look. Is look a linking verb? Yes, look is a linking verb. What about the other word? Alive. The show is alive. Everybody can see alive is an adjective, and this is a predicate, and then it is after is. Okay. Is a linking. The grandparents feel alone. The grandparents feel alone. Alone is put after feel, and feel is a linking verb. So everybody can see that alone is a predicate adjective. The kid is afraid of cockroach. Yeah, the kid is afraid of cockroach. Afraid is put after is. Is a to be, and this is a linking verb. So afraid is correctly positioned. So we call it predicate adjective. The last one, after a long trip, the children became asleep. Asleep is put after the word became, and became is a linking verb. So this is another predicate adjective. So before we continue to this one, I just want to repeat again. Alike is a descriptive adjective because put after look. Alive is a descriptive adjective because it is positioned after is. Alone is an adjective or descriptive adjective because it is put after feel. Afraid is a descriptive adjective because it is put after is or linking verb. And then asleep is the descriptive adjective because it is put after became, which is a linking verb. We sometimes misuse these words, yeah, because we want to show the meaning. Yeah. So in order to have the meaning, yeah, describing the noun, so we don't have this like, alive, alone, afraid, and asleep, but we change into this adjective. Yeah. Okay. We have like or similar, we have live or living, we have lone, frightened, and sleeping. Let's see, everybody. The father and son speak in similar way. Everybody, let's see. We have the word similar. Yeah. Is it after linking verb? No. Yeah. But similar is before now. So everybody, similar is an adjective, not a descriptive, not a predicate adjective. Similar is an adjective, not a predicate adjective. Similar way. Next, that is a great live show. Is live after linking verb? No, but live is before noun show. So live, is it an adjective? Yes, it is an adjective, but is it a predicate adjective? No. Okay, I think he is a lone ranger. A lone ranger. I think we have a kind of movie title somewhere I have ever watched. Yeah. Lone, is it an adjective? Yes. But is it a predicate adjective? No. Why? Because it is put after, before now. Next, we have the frightened kid ran quickly. The frightened kid ran quickly. Frightened Is it an adjective? Yes, it is an adjective, but not a predicate adjective. Why? Because it is put before noun. Okay. After long trip, the sleeping children are awake. After long trip, the sleeping children are awake. Sleeping, is it an adjective? Yes, this is an adjective, but not a predicate adjective. Why? Because it is put before noun. I hope everybody now get more understanding between adjective and predicate adjective. We go on. We have discussion. Each of the following sentences contains a predicate adjective for its related form. Indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Let's see. We have this one. The two brothers do not look at all alike. Yeah. We have alike. Yeah. Is it put after linking verb look? Yeah, indirectly, yes. Alike is put indirectly after look. Or we can say, do we have noun after alike? Do we have noun after alike? No, we don't have any noun after alike. So we can say that alike is a predicate adjective. It is put correctly after linking verb. So what we can say is like this. The word alike, yeah, is put after linking verb look. So it's correct. So it is correct. Yeah. Next. That is a very simple reason. The word alike is put after linking verb look, so it is correct. Now we have number 2, the example. My friend brought the alive lobster to my house and expected me to cook it. So everybody, we have the word alive. Yeah. The question, is this an adjective? Yeah, no. Yeah, but this is more a descriptive adjective. And now the question, is it okay to put before noun? The answer is no. A descriptive adjective cannot be put before noun. So everybody, we go on. We can make conclusion that the word alike is positioned before noun lobster, so it is incorrect. I repeat again, the word alike is position or put before noun lobster, so it is incorrect. Why? Because it is a descriptive adjective. A descriptive adjective is put only after linking verb. I hope you understand that. Now we are going to continue to the second topic, that is add and ing adjectives. Add and ing adjectives. Now we have this one. Verb forms ending in ed and ing. So we have verb ended with ed and then ended with ing, can be used as an adjective or can be used as adjectives. Yeah, so we have ed, we have ing, we can say those are adjectives. For example, from the verb clean, we can have adjectives. Cleaned and then cleaning. I repeat again, the verb clean, we can have cleaned, and then we have cleaning. So cleaned and cleaning are all adjectives. For example, or let's see the next sentences for you, for us to analyze. The woman cleans the car. We have cleans. Yeah, this shows the activity of the woman. So this is a verb. Cleans is a verb because this shows the activity of the woman. We can see what does the woman do. Okay, the woman cleans the car. Next, number 2, the cleaning woman work on the car. The cleaning woman work on the car. We have cleaning, yeah. We have clean. Now, originally, this is a verb clean plus ing. Is it an adjective? Yes, it is an adjective because it is put before woman. It is put before woman or before noun that the word cleaning describes. Okay, so this is an adjective. Another one, the woman put the clean the car back in the garage. We have the word clean. Is it an adjective? Yes, we have ud here. So this is an adjective. And then it is put before noun. So cleaned give a description about the car. What kind of car? The cleaned one, something like that. So cleaned is an adjective. Okay, we repeat again. So we can make adjectives by having ed or by having ing after verb. Yeah, so every verb with ed or with ing, we can say they are all adjectives. Yeah. Okay, now we go on. Yeah. Okay, ed and ing adjectives. Yeah, let's see. We need to understand something very important about the concept of ed and ing adjective. Let's see. The following chart outlines the key information that you should remember about ed and ing adjectives. We are going to see this chart and then everybody can see. We are talking about the type, the meaning, the use, and the example. The type is clear that we are talking about ing, and then we are talking about ed, cleaning, cleaned, something like that. And then the meaning, what we need to keep in our mind that when we have ing ending, that sentence or the context of the sentence is active. So we are talking about the noun after ing contextually is active. Yeah, I repeat again. What does it mean by active? The noun after ing, yeah, is contextually active. The noun does the action of the verb. Yeah, the noun does the action of the verb. For example, cleaning woman. So woman does the action of cleaning or clean something. Let's see the example. Playing children, playing children. So that means children is active. Yeah, the word children is active or children are active. Yeah, because we have ing. Okay, so keep in your mind that when we have ing, we are talking about this one or noun is active. Yeah, let's see, we can say the children play. That means the children active is active. Yeah, the word children is active. Now, when we have that means we are talking about passive meaning. Yeah, okay. So in our mind says that the noun after yeah, is contextually passive or not active, not active. The other one is active. Yeah, the other one is active. Let's see. It means that the noun, yeah, receives the action of the verb. Okay, let's see. Yeah, play the record. That means record. Yeah, receives the action of the verb. That means someone plays the record. The record receives the action of someone. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I can give you a very short and clear tip here. So whenever you have ing, you usually have person. I repeat again. When you have ing, you usually have person. Usually, okay, or mostly you have person. Yeah. When you have ed, you mostly, not always, yeah, usually have noun, not a person, but this is a noun, yeah, but not person. Okay, thing, yeah. Okay, but again, remember, not all this one happens to all noun. because it depends on the context. Yeah. Now, everybody, we are going to discuss. Okay, the teacher, sorry, let's see the instruction first. Each of the following sentences contains either an had or an ing verbal adjective. Yeah. Indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Let's see number one. The teacher gave a quiz on the just completing lesson. Everybody see this one, completing lesson. The question is it completing correct or is it completing incorrect? Is it completing or completed? That is the question. So how we can identify is something like I told you we using mostly with person. I repeat again, we using mostly, yeah, after before person. Now let's see, completing and then lesson. Is lesson a person? The answer is no. Lesson is not a person, so we can say shortly, simply that it is not correct to have ing. Okay, I repeat again, it is not correct to have ing. Yeah, simply saying because after ing we have lesson, that is incorrect. Yeah. But the complete reason is that, let's see, yeah, the adjective completing, yeah, the adjective completing brings active meaning. Yeah. I repeat again, the ending ing brings active meaning, but the noun lesson is passive. The noun lesson, let's see, the lesson is passive. Who is active? The teacher. The teacher is active. Yeah, the lesson is not active. So it is incorrect because this one is passive, but completing is active. They don't match. Okay. Next, we have the second example. There is a fascinating movie at the theater tonight. Fascinating movie. Fascinating movie. Is incorrect or is incorrect? Now let's see. We have movie. Yeah. The question is movie active or is movie passive? Contextually, we say that movie is active. Yeah, because we say there is a fascinating movie. So who is active or what is active? The movie. So movie is an active noun. So is it okay to have ing and then active noun? The answer is yes, it is correct. So let's see, the adjective fascinating, yeah, is active meaning or gives active meaning. I repeat again, adjective ing gives active meaning and the noun movie is active. What does it mean? The movie fascinates people. The movie makes people fascinated. The movie makes people happy. So the movie is active. So it is correct. Okay. Yes, that's it for today. I guess you can go on with the quiz as usual, in which you have time for you to do. Thank you very much. Yeah. And as everybody understand, yeah, as everybody understand, you can write down at least one question in my YouTube channel. The question which is related to the topic we have discussed. Thank you very much. See you. Hope you are all in good health and condition. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.